What do you feel like doing tonight? How about eating out? Brilliant idea. I'm very hungry. Shall we go to Marcel's? Marcel's? Are you joking? It's the most expensive restaurant in town. No, it isn't. There are many restaurants that are more expensive than Marcel's. Well, how about Castella? It's nice, but it's always so crowded. I want to go somewhere more relaxing. How about Antonio's? It's cheaper than Marcel's, and quieter than Castella. That sounds good. I hope they still serve the smoked salmon. Yeah. How can you eat that? Are you serious? It's the tastiest thing in the world. Come on, let's go. Exercise 6, page 79.
London Zoo. This is going to be fun. I love animals.
Come back, Peter. We must go and buy an entrance ticket first.
Oh, yes, of course. Where's my money?
Look at this. It's a leaflet telling us about the rules we must follow inside the zoo. Wow, there are quite a lot of do's and don'ts.
Oh, dear. I am going to have to eat my sandwich now, as we mustn't eat food inside.
Okay, well, hurry up. I want to go inside.
It looks as if you didn't have to bring your camera either, Sharon. It says here we mustn't take pictures of the animals.
Yes, I suppose the flash might scare them. Also, we mustn't feed the animals, Peter, so get rid of that sandwich.
I expect the animals have a special diet, so it's no good feeding them sandwiches and crisps.
Certainly not. Also, we must keep the grounds clean by putting all our rubbish into the bins. So don't throw your litter on the ground.
Of course not. I never do that anyway. Here's one for you then, Sharon. We must speak quietly. Do you think you can do that?
Oh, shut up, Peter.
Shh.